To decide whether segment AB or segment AC is longer without decimals or square roots, the method is to turn each segment into a squared distance from coordinate differences, compare those two integer totals, and translate the comparison back into a length statement. The first step is to express each segment by its horizontal and vertical changes. Starting from the plan, each segment from A is described by how far it moves horizontally and vertically. For segment AB, subtract A's coordinates from B's coordinates, and for segment AC, subtract A's coordinates from C's coordinates, giving two pairs of integer changes. With the coordinate changes known, the distance formula can be used without taking any square roots. Square the horizontal change and the vertical change for each segment. Then add them, so each segment has an integer squared distance. Now that both segments have squared distances, the square root step is unnecessary because square root keeps positive numbers in the same order. The larger squared distance belongs to the longer segment, and equal squared distances mean the two segments have equal length. With the integer comparison finished, the result can be written as a decision rule for the original segments. If the squared distance for AB is greater, AB is longer. If it is smaller, AC is longer, and if the totals match, the two lengths are equal.